In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change country on your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off let me show you where we can find our current channel's country. We can easily find it at About tab if we click on it. As you can see, now my location is set to United States, and now let me show you how we can easily change it. To do that, we need to go to YouTube Creator Studio. I'm just gonna click right here, then YouTube Studio. Then we need to go to Settings, then Channel, and basically that's where we can find our current country. We can click right here, and then we'll be able to select any country from that list. Once you have selected a country, click Add Save to save the changes.